for Best Picture.
You're impossible. Come on.
Let's assume what happened at the Oscars this year was not a planned production by someone backstage.
La La Land.
Guys, I'm sorry. No, there's a mistake. Moonlight, you guys won Best Picture.
Can we really prevent this from happening? See, in manufacturing, this type of issue happens more often than we'd like. The wrong part gets built because a copy of an old revision of a drawing was still on the shop floor. Let's set up a system that supports the concept of single source of truth, or single source of data, to address this concern. While we, at Quest Integration, set up these environments all the time, let's have a bit of fun and set up a data management system for PwC. You know, the folks that are responsible for the envelopes at the Oscars. This system would have prevented the mishap of handing the wrong envelope to Warren Beatty and Faye Dunaway. Let's take a look. After creating the vault in the administration tool, we will create a vault view. This is where we are going to store the electronic envelopes. We create users for the people involved. To help better understand the story, let's pick up with Leonardo DiCaprio announcing the winner for Best Actress. We also need to create user accounts for Warren Beatty and Faye Dunaway. Lastly, we have the system administrator or admin who's in charge of the entire production. We define a graphical yet very functional workflow. Here we create a state called Backstage, where only administration can see the envelopes. We create states for each award category. We create a final destination state, Delivered, to make sure the envelope reaches its end of life. Lastly, we create transitions where admin can deliver the envelopes to the presenters, and the presenters deliver the envelopes to the winners. This ensures the proper workflow. Permissions are defined in each state, granting appropriate access to the envelopes based on their workflow state. But there's one more piece to the puzzle to get this all to work. We have to actually invite the presenters to the show. We enable them to access the Vault folder contents in their permissions. Let's get started with a little bit of validation. We'll log in as Leo and Warren, and we can see that our views are empty, even though files exist in the administration view. Well, we're ready to start the show. We've logged in as Leo, and the administrator has sent the envelope for Best Actress. As Leo, we'll open it up, and we can make the announcement. Congratulations, Emma. Next, it's time to deliver the Best Picture envelope, and here's the critical function. Can I accidentally transition the Best Actress award? No, but I can for Best Picture. So we give that to Warren, refresh his view, and we now have the correct information. Best Picture, congratulations, Moonlight. Sorry, La La Land. Now you've seen how we can use SOLIDWORKS PDM to ensure that the correct people have the correct access to the correct files at the correct time. So, for your next Academy Awards event, or if you're taking control of your manufacturing documentation, contact Quest Integration to schedule your data management implementation and improve your profitability. Well, unless you're just looking for a PR stunt. We look forward to working with you soon.